Hi everyone, trust you all are doing great. Welcome to day 7 of our 90 days online income challenge. Today I want to teach you all how to use AI to your own advantage, how to use AI to save time, to learn faster, to be more productive. And no, you don't have to be a tech expert. No, you don't have to be a tech guru. I am going to teach you all you need to know in order to use AI to the best of your ability and to be more productive at what you do. Guys, ensure you watch to the end of this video because it promises to be so valuable and you don't want to miss out. And so before we go right into it, I want us to clear up one big misunderstanding that people have about AI. Some persons believe AI is a tool that can make you get rich instantly. The answer is no. AI is not a money-making machine. ChatGPT is not a money-making machine. Sometimes when you go on YouTube, you see some videos and the thumbnail will be like how to make 1 million naira with ChatGPT, how to make $10,000 with ChatGPT. No, ChatGPT is not a money making machine, and so it cannot automatically make you rich. Now I want you to see AI as a very intelligent assistant. See your ChatGPT as a very intelligent assistant. You know the way people have their assistant, some can have their virtual assistant, some have physical assistant. Now AI can be your virtual assistant, but a very intelligent one. If you give ChatGPT the right instruction, it can help you think faster, it can help organize your ideas, it can also make you work faster. Like the tasks you're normally supposed to do for like 3 hours, 4 hours, with ChatGPT or any other AI, you can actually achieve that same task within 30 minutes. Now can you see the difference? Something that would have taken you about 4 or 5 hours, with ChatGPT you're able to do it in 30 minutes. Get results in 30 minutes. Can you see it has helped you to save time? That is something that AI ChatGPT can do for you as a business owner. If you ask AI poor questions, you are definitely going to get poor answer. But if you ask a detailed question, right, you give it detailed instruction, it's going to give you a better result. Now you can all see that AI or ChatGPT actually depends on you to give you the best results. It doesn't function on its own. It depends on you. It depends on your communicating skills. So for you to communicate effectively with AI is a skill. Communicating effectively very well with AI, being able to give AI the right prompts, it is a skill. Not everybody know how to do it. And so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it. Be better with communicating with AI, giving AI the right and detailed questions to work with. I want us to be more practical. Follow through. Let's say I am starting all over again from zero. I don't have audience, I don't have any business, and I don't have money. All I have is my smartphone. How can I use AI to start up a business that wouldn't require money or little money and be successful and make money from that business? How can I use AI to start up again? Now follow through. I'm going to show you practical what I am going to do. So I will be sharing my phone screen with you all here or here. You will see my phone screen on your screen. Now let's say I'm starting from scratch. How can I use ChatGPT to start and build a successful business online? This is exactly what I will do. This is my ChatGPT on my phone, so you can go ahead and install the app. It has an app, but I'm using the browser right now. So I'm just going to give it this instruction or this question. Suggest 20 online businesses I can start with, or let's say with 50,000 naira, and with my smartphone, and with my smartphone. Now this is the prompt I gave. Suggest 20 online business I can start with 50,000 naira and with my smartphone. Now you can see the detailed response we are getting. It said with a budget of 50k and a smartphone you can start blah blah blah. You can see 20: social media management, freelancing, virtual assistant, affiliate marketing, print on demand dropshipping, resume writing, online tutoring. We have up to mini position. We have up to 20 of them. right? Now I am going to give it another prompt. See, it went ahead to even tell us how to use our 50,000 naira. A small budget could look like this: data 10k, maybe monthly data 10k, branding. I might not even need to do branding. Okay, Canva Pro, or if I'm CapCut Pro, well, then marketing ads 20,000 naira, then business registration or tools. You can buy tools 10,000 naira. The emergency reserve. See how they broke down how we can use our 50,000 naira to achieve something. Can you see? Best option if you're starting from scratch. Now they went ahead to even give us best option. I didn't even ask for best option, but because of the detailed prompt I gave, it says social media management, Canva design, affiliate marketing, digital, blah blah blah. Now let's give it another prompt. Which of them has the highest demand and low competition? You go stage by stage, step by step. Are you learning something? So it says, if your goal is high demand and relatively low competition, it is important to know that there are usually a trade-off. The higher the demand, yeah, we know that the higher the demand, the more people will go into it. So here are the strongest options for someone starting with a smartphone and around 50k. Businesses. Under businesses, you say AI power social media management, WhatsApp marketing, virtual assistant, selling digital products, user-generated content for brands, then video editing. Can you see? It went ahead to say, my top recommendation, AI-powered social media management. Instead of simply posting content, you help businesses by creating graphics, writing caption, editing short videos, scheduling posts, responding to basic. So this is the one they are suggesting to us with our 50k. Then I can ask AI, ChatGPT, to go an extra mile. I don't know how to do this. Let's say I don't know how to do this. I can ask ChatGPT to create a 30 days learning plan for me so I can be good at it. I will say, now create a 30 days lesson plan for social media management. I want to learn before I start. So this is a lesson plan. Okay, here is a 30-day social media bootcamp designed for someone with all, can you see, with only 50k. Day one. Okay, week one, learn the fundamentals. Day one, I'll be learning what is social media management, what a social media manager does, type of clients, blah blah blah. Day two, understanding social media algorithms. Can you see? Day three, I will learn branding. Day four, I will learn how to use Canva. Day five, writing caption. Day six, up to, can you see, day 11, video creation. Can you see what you're going to learn? So AI will actually make your work easy. It will help you learn faster. Do you see how I used ChatGPT to break down things step by step? But if you go and you're asking ChatGPT, how can I make money? Okay, let's give it that prompt. How can I become rich online? People usually come and ask this type of question. How can I become rich online? I mean, now, because I've given it other prompts, it will give you something reasonable. Okay, it says there isn't a reliable shortcut to becoming rich. Build a high income skill, create a scalable business. Can you see that this doesn't even make sense? Coming to ask ChatGPT, people will go online, they'll be asking AI, how can I become rich? How can I make money? No, that doesn't make sense. Ask more detailed question. Okay, I don't have any following online, but I want to start making money on social media. Can you suggest 20 businesses I can do online? If it gives you, go further to ask, can you explain how I can grow my Instagram followers so I will have people on there, or even my YouTube followers? It will give you all the information you need. That is how to use AI. If I were starting afresh, this is how I'm going to use AI. In fact, you guys are lucky. Those of you that are starting out now, trust me when I tell you that you're lucky, because you're not doing everything from here. When I started, it was nothing like ChatGPT. You have to think, research for days. If you see my notes, you'll be writing before you be able to create one single content. But now with AI, everything is at your beck and call. So here are 10 practical ways you can use AI. We are focusing on ChatGPT, yeah? So I can say, here are 10 practical ways you can use ChatGPT to learn faster, save time, and be more productive. Number 1, you can use ChatGPT to learn any skill. So for those of you that are like, Oni, I don't like going to YouTube. When I go on YouTube, I'm already distracted watching other things. You can use ChatGPT to learn that skill. You see that skill, you can learn it on ChatGPT. You guys saw the prompt I gave it earlier that we want to learn social media management. It should create a 30 days lesson plan for us, which it did. So now for that first day, you can even ask ChatGPT to break it down step by step for a beginner. It will go ahead to break everything down for you, so you can learn any skill using ChatGPT. Number 2, you can use ChatGPT for your business idea research. Let's say you want to start a business and you're not sure about it. For those kind of research, business research, you can use ChatGPT to achieve it. The prompt I gave earlier that it should suggest 20 business ideas. You see the way it suggested those business ideas and gave us detailed on each of them, and even went ahead to give us the ones that are in demand and have relatively low competition. So this is how you do different business research with ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT, I want to import a certain product to Nigeria. Does this product sell well in Nigeria? What's the competition like? ChatGPT will give you all of those details. You'll be able to wait and know, oh, if I import this product, will I be able to sell it or not? You can give it a try like that. Number 3, you can use ChatGPT to generate content ideas. That's why I said you all are lucky. Before now, if you want to create one content, or if you want to create content, the way you'll be ransacking your brain, the way you'll be searching your brain. But now with ChatGPT, you can never run out of ideas. You can use ChatGPT to, generate thousands of ideas, maybe for your YouTube channel, for your Instagram reels, for your TikTok, whichever one. So let's say you're starting up a YouTube channel and your YouTube channel is around motherhood, parenting. You can go to ChatGPT and ask this question: can you suggest 100 video ideas for my YouTube channel? My YouTube channel is about parenting, motherhood, and everything in between. ChatGPT is going to do that for you. You can even say suggest more 50. It will do that for you. So you can use ChatGPT to generate loads of ideas. Number 4, you can use ChatGPT to write better captions, better descriptions for your products or your services. Remember in the previous video where I was talking about skills, I mentioned copywriting, which is a skill that you can go learn. Now I explained that copywriting is a way of writing words that persuades people to buy a particular product or service. Now if you're not good with copywriting, you don't know how to write those kind of words, ChatGPT can help you do that. You can ask ChatGPT to write your captions for you persuasively, that will persuade people to buy your product or your service. ChatGPT will do that for you. You can just add 1 or 2 edits and you are good to go. Number 5, you can use ChatGPT to write your video script. Yes guys, you heard me right. You can use ChatGPT to script your video idea. Let's say you have this idea, maybe you want to make a video on how to make money online, through writing or selling digital products. You don't know how to go about it. You don't know how to put all your ideas down into words, script it down from step by step. You don't know how to do that. You can go to ChatGPT, give it that prompt, script this video idea for me, and ChatGPT will help you script out your video. So you can create up to 4 videos in a day. You can create up to 4 videos with the help of ChatGPT, because it will help you script everything. I mean, I said ChatGPT or any other AI that you're using, see it as your intelligent assistant, that virtual assistant that you have. Very intelligent one. You can use it to script your video ideas. Number 6, you can use ChatGPT to create digital products, ebook, your courses. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to do that. I remember in one of the videos I posted last month on how to write an ebook with ChatGPT. I was surprised. Some of you are asking, Oni, I never knew I was able to do this, blah, 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 blah. Some of you get to my DM, Oni, I'm so grateful. I did this and I was able to create an ebook with ChatGPT from A to Z. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to create digital products. Say you want to write an ebook, you have an ebook idea, but the points you have cannot flesh out the whole ebook or the course, you can use ChatGPT assistant. It will give you the straight to straight, chapter to chapter, sections to sections. You can use ChatGPT to achieve that. But remember, you need to learn how to give detailed prompts. Number 7, you can use ChatGPT to solve business problems. To be honest, this has been helping me a lot in this particular angle. Using ChatGPT to understand the buying power at the moment, why a particular product is not selling well, to understand customers' behavior. If you run ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, then you need to know how to use ChatGPT, because with ChatGPT you will know the location. You'll be able to have like an idea, give you the right prompt, it will give you the idea of the type of people to target for a particular product or service. In fact, it will do a lot for you to understand customer behavior online, the product you want to sell, where you can get the most buyers from. I mean, talking about the location, ChatGPT will help you do that. You can use ChatGPT to solve lots of business problems. You don't understand how to price your product, ChatGPT will help you. Because if you see some people selling online, they don't understand how to price their product. You imported a particular product and you're finding it difficult to price. ChatGPT can help you. Give it a prompt. Oh, I got this product and people are selling it so amount online, and these are my expenses. Can you help me price it properly, detailed? Give me a detailed pricing scheme that I can use to price my product. It will do that for you. ChatGPT will help you solve lots of business problems. Number 8, you can use ChatGPT for your marketing. I said a bit about it in the previous point. You can use ChatGPT for your marketing. If you don't know how to market, or you don't know the type of content that you can use for marketing your product or your service, you can ask ChatGPT, your intelligent virtual assistant, and it will give you detail. Sometimes I don't know the type of content to post on my Instagram. I ask ChatGPT, okay, I have a backpack. What type of content do you suggest that will help me, get eyes on that backpack, that will help me get customers that will buy this backpack? ChatGPT will suggest. I will go ahead and ask, this type of content, can I equally use it to run ads? Blah blah. Ask questions. It will help you with your marketing a lot. The number 9 now, or number 10. The next point, you can use ChatGPT to learn from your mistakes. Let's say you did something before now in your business, you took a decision and it didn't work out well. You can go to ChatGPT. Oh, I did so thing and it didn't work out well. Can you profile a solutions to it? Why did it flop? Why did that idea fail? It will give you reasons. Why did this idea fail? Why did it flop? Why did the business go down? What are the possible solutions, practical solutions? This is how you can use ChatGPT to learn from your mistakes. Guys, hope you've gotten value from this video. Hope it's up to 10. I can give you more, but hope it's up to 10. Yeah, let's pause here. Hope you've gotten value from this video. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is another packed day. So if you've not shared this video, I mean, since this challenge, today is day 7, you've not shared, you've not told somebody about this challenge, please do that. Don't gain from this alone. I would really appreciate you doing that. Encourage me by doing that. Come on. So give this video a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you all tomorrow. I love you. Mwah.